Inspire reports sees record-breaking growth in 2024. A year of unprecedented growth. The fourth quarter of 2024 marked a significant milestone for Inspire reports, with the company achieving year-over-year revenue growth of 25% and earnings per share growth of 135%. This remarkable performance is a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction, and strategic growth. Key highlights: revenue growth of 25% year-over-year, earnings per share growth of 135% year-over-year, strong customer acquisition and retention rates, continued investment in research and development driving forces behind the growth. Inspire reports growth can be attributed to several key factors. Innovative solutions. The company's cutting-edge solutions have resonated with customers, driving demand for its services. Strategic partnerships. Inspire reports has formed strategic partnerships with leading industry players, expanding its reach and capabilities. Customer-centric approach. The company's focus on customer satisfaction has led to strong retention rates and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Investment in research and development **** investment in research and development. Inspire reports commitment to innovation is evident in its continued investment in research and development. This investment has enabled the company to stay ahead of the curve, developing new solutions that meet the evolving needs of its customers. Looking ahead, as Inspire reports continues to grow and expand its offerings, the company remains focused on its core values of innovation, customer satisfaction, and strategic growth. Locations and expanded existing 24 locations in the fourth quarter of 2024. Expanded its product offerings to include new items such as organic and non-GMO products, and introduced a new loyalty program. Record-breaking performance in Q4 2024. The fourth quarter of 2024 marked a significant milestone for the company, with a gross margin of 85% and net income of $35.2 million. This impressive performance is a testament to the company's ability to drive growth and profitability. Key highlights of Q4 2024: activated 72 new U.S. locations, expanded existing 24 locations, introduced new product offerings, including organic and non-GMO products, launched a new loyalty program. Expansion and innovation. The company's expansion efforts in the fourth quarter of 2024 were a key driver of its success. By activating 72 new U.S. 2025 revenue guidance is based on the company's current market outlook and assumes a continued strong demand for its products and services. 2025 revenue guidance. The company has reaffirmed its full-year 2025 revenue guidance, which is now in the range of $940 million to $955 million. This represents a year-over-year growth of approximately 17% to 19%. The revenue guidance is based on the company's current market outlook and assumes a continued strong demand for its products and services. Key drivers of growth: strong demand for its products and services, continued expansion of its customer base, increased adoption of its cloud-based solutions, growing presence in new markets. Full-year diluted net income per share guidance. The company has also introduced full-year diluted net income per share guidance of $2.10 to $2.20. This guidance is based on the company's current market outlook and assumes a continued strong demand for its products and services. Market outlook. The company's revenue guidance is based on its current market outlook, which assumes a continued strong demand for its products and services. This demand is driven by a number of factors, including increasing adoption of cloud-based solutions, growing presence in new markets, continued expansion of its customer base. Conclusion: the company's revenue guidance for 2025 is a positive indicator of its future growth prospects. Revenue surges 22% as company expands offerings and gains market share. Revenue growth and gross margin. The company's revenue for the quarter ended December 31, 2024, was a significant milestone, with U.S. revenue reaching $231.6 million. This represents a substantial increase of 22% compared to the same quarter in the prior year. The growth in revenue can be attributed to various factors, including the expansion of the company's product offerings, increased market share, and a strong demand for its products. Key drivers of revenue growth: plus expansion of product offerings plus increased market share plus strong demand for products. Revenue growth by region, plus U.S. revenue, $231.6 million, 22% increase, plus international revenue, $123.4 million, 15% increase. Gross margin and operational efficiency. The company's gross margin for the 3 months ended December 31, 2024, was 85%. This indicates a high level of operational efficiency, as the company was able to maintain a strong pricing strategy while controlling costs. Revenue growth driven by expanded product offerings and increased market presence. Revenue growth and expansion. The company's revenue has experienced significant growth over the past few years, with a notable increase in 2024. The full-year revenue of $771.0 million represents a 27% increase compared to the prior year. This substantial growth can be attributed to various factors, including the expansion of the company's product offerings, increased market presence, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. Key drivers of revenue growth. Increased product offerings. The company has expanded its product portfolio, which has led to increased sales and revenue. The company's operating expenses as a percentage of revenue was 34.8% in 2024 compared to 33.4% in 2023. Operating expenses overview. Operating expenses are a crucial component of a company's financial performance. They represent the costs incurred by the company in its day-to-day operations, excluding non-operating items such as interest and taxes. Operating expenses can be categorized into various subsegments, including salaries and benefits, rent and utilities, marketing and advertising, research and development, general and administrative. Year-over-year comparison. The company's operating expenses increased by 13% in 2024 compared to 2023. 2025 full-year revenue guidance. The company's management will provide an update on the full-year 2025 revenue guidance during the conference call. The guidance range is between $940 million to $955 million, indicating a slight increase from the previous year's revenue. The revenue guidance is based on the company's current market conditions and customer demand. The management team will discuss the factors that influenced the revenue guidance and provide insights into the company's future prospects. Key takeaways. The company's revenue guidance for 2025 is between $940 million to $955 million. The management team will discuss the factors that influenced the revenue guidance during the conference call. To participate in the conference call, you will need to have a working account on the platform. If you don't have an account, you can register for one on the same web page. Registration is free and open to the public. The conference call will take place on insert date, at insert time, and will last for insert duration. The conference call is open to all registered attendees and will be recorded for later review. This means that you must have a valid email address, a unique username, and a password that you can remember. The registration process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You can also choose to receive a confirmation email with further instructions. This means that anyone can sign up for the conference call without incurring any costs or fees. There is no requirement for payment or subscription, and the registration process is designed to be easy and accessible to everyone. The open registration policy allows people from all over the world to participate in the conference call, regardless of their geographical location or socioeconomic status. This means that attendees will need to make sure they are available and can participate in the conference call at the scheduled time. GAAP Introduction. The world of finance is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging every day. One area that has seen significant growth in recent years is the field of non-GAAP financial measures. These measures, which deviate from traditional generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, provide a more comprehensive picture of a company's financial performance. In this article, we will delve into the world of non-GAAP financial measures, exploring their benefits, limitations, and examples. What are non-GAAP financial measures? Non-GAAP financial measures are financial statements that deviate from traditional GAAP. These measures are used to provide a more detailed and accurate picture of a company's financial performance. They can include items such as stock-based compensation, the cost of stock options and other equity-based compensation, amortization of intangible assets, the cost of intangible assets, such as patents and trademarks, gain/loss on sale of assets, the gain or loss on the sale of assets, such as property, plant, and equipment. Evaluating financial performance beyond traditional GAAP measures. They should be used in conjunction with, and not in place of, the most directly comparable GAAP measures. Non-GAAP financial measures. Introduction. Non-GAAP financial measures are financial metrics that are used to evaluate a company's performance beyond the traditional generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, framework. These measures are often used to supplement GAAP financial statements and provide a more comprehensive view of a company's financial performance. Why use non-GAAP financial measures? Supplemental information. Non-GAAP financial measures provide additional insights into a company's performance, helping investors and analysts to better understand its financial situation. Industry comparison. Non-GAAP financial measures are frequently used by analysts and investors to compare companies within the same industry, as they provide a more consistent and comparable framework for evaluation. These statements are based on current expectations and involve risks and uncertainties that may cause actual results to differ materially from those anticipated. The future of renewable energy. A bright horizon. The world is on the cusp of a revolution in the way we generate and consume energy. The future of medical technology. A look at the company's forward-looking statements. A glimpse into the company's vision. The company's forward-looking statements offer a glimpse into their vision for the future of medical technology. These statements, which are based on management's current expectations, provide insight into the company's plans and goals for the next few years. However, it's essential to note that these statements are subject to known and unknown risks and uncertainties. Risks and challenges. Our history of operating losses and dependency on our Inspire system for revenues. Our ability to expand our indications and develop and commercialize additional products and enhancements to our Inspire system. Future results of operations. Our ability to achieve and maintain adequate levels of coverage or reimbursement for any future products we may seek to commercialize. These risks and challenges highlight the complexities of the medical technology industry. The company's success is not guaranteed, and there are many factors that could impact their future performance. The importance of reimbursement and coverage. Reimbursement and coverage are crucial for the success of any medical technology company. The company's ability to achieve and maintain adequate levels of coverage or reimbursement for any future products they may seek to commercialize is a significant risk. This is because reimbursement and coverage can significantly impact a company's revenue and profitability. Looking to the future. Despite the risks and challenges, the company's forward-looking statements offer a glimpse into their vision for the future. They plan to expand their indications and develop and commercialize additional products and enhancements to their Inspire system. This suggests that the company is committed to innovation and growth. Conclusion. The company's forward-looking statements provide valuable insight into their vision for the future of medical technology. IMS is a leading provider of innovative medical devices and solutions for the treatment of chronic pain and other conditions. With a strong focus on research and development, IMS has established itself as a trusted partner for healthcare professionals and patients alike. The IMS story. IMS was founded in 2005 by a team of experienced medical professionals who recognized the need for effective solutions to manage chronic pain. Since its inception, the company has grown rapidly, expanding its product portfolio and establishing a strong presence in the global market. Key milestones. 2005. IMS is founded by a team of experienced medical professionals. 2010. IMS introduces its first product, the Inspire Lead, a minimally invasive implantable device for treating chronic pain. 2015. IMS expands its product portfolio with the introduction of the Inspire system, a comprehensive treatment solution for chronic pain. 2020. IMS achieves FDA clearance for its latest product, the Inspire System Zero, a significant upgrade to its existing technology. ### The IMS product portfolio. The IMS product portfolio IMS offers a range of innovative medical devices and solutions for the treatment of chronic pain and other conditions. The company's product portfolio includes the Inspire System, a comprehensive treatment solution for chronic pain. The Inspire Lead, a minimally invasive implantable device for treating chronic pain. The Inspire System Zero, a significant upgrade to the company's existing technology.